Hello, I'm Maarten. I'm a filmmaker, a planetary scientist and a passionate about music. I'm always on the outlook for new ideas, and if I can combine them with my passions, even better. Hear this? Irish traditional melodies, arranged and performed by cellist Ilse de Ziah. When I heard Ilse's work, I knew I had found something unique. So I had an idea and talked to Ilse.
Hi, I'm Ilse. I play the cello. I love Irish music and especially the Irish airs. When I moved to Ireland and was listening to more Irish music, to the way the airs were sung and played on uilleann pipes and on fiddles and harps, I was inspired. I could hear a way to recreate these beautiful and haunting sounds on my own arrangements for Solo Cello. And I published a CD and a book of 10 Irish airs. When researching the history of each air, I was amazed at the journey that one was led and how, because each air is so old and passed down orally, the origins are complex and not fully known. I thought it would be exciting to go around Ireland to the places where the pieces originate and play these pieces there. So when Maarten talked to me about his idea, I thought here's a great opportunity to do so and to add a further dimension to the experience.
Here is our project, Living the Tradition. We want to make a series of 10 short music documentaries based on Ilse's Irish airs for solo cello. We will follow Ilse and her cello all across Ireland on her search for the origin of each air. And we will of course see and hear her perform them in the related places. It will be a unique set of films, a great concept to explore further in the future.
If you think this project is worthwhile, we would be really grateful for your contribution.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned.